In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook page. This is important if, for example, you do not want to show your page yet and at the same time you do not want to delete it. So this is the one way you can deactivate your Facebook page. And I'm going to show it to you in computer and also in mobile. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm in my computer. Open up your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook profile. So to do this, you need to switch to your Facebook page. Go to top right, click on this. So I want to switch to this page. If you want to switch to other pages, like for me, if I have a lot, you can just see all profile and you can choose whichever pages that you wanted to. So for now, I just want to switch to this page. Continue, click on this. And now I'm switching to this page. Go back to top right. So this is where you are going to deactivate the page. And now let's go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. And then you can see at the left side, just scroll all the way down. You should be able to see this thing called access and control. Click on this and then you should be able to see deactivate page. I have a video on delete page, so you can watch it. So this is to deactivate the page. Okay, this is only temporary. It will disable and all the information will be removed from the Facebook itself. It will only show once you reactivate the page. So let's continue. Continue. And then you can see there's many reasons. Okay, you can see here, if you put temporary, they will let you automatically reactivate your account within 1 or 7 days. Just click deactivate. So are you sure you want to deactivate your page? Yes, just deactivate now. Now I'm back to my Facebook profile. So you can see it's gone. You don't see the page here anymore. Even when you click see all profile, just fine. It's not there anymore. Now, how do you reactivate your page? Easy. So back to your Facebook profile, you can only do it here because you can't find your page anymore. Click on your top right, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll all the way down, you should be able to see reactivate a page, click on it. And then you can see here, can to you deactivated profile, just click reactivate. And boom, the page is reactivated. So this is how easily you can deactivate and reactivate your Facebook page. I showed it to you in computer. Now let's jump into my phone. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook page in mobile. So I'm using Android. It should be similar with iPhone. So jump into your Facebook app in your Android phone. Click on the top right. I have many pages, so you need to search one by one. Okay, so I'm looking for this page. So I click on it. I'm now switching to the page. Alright, now you see it's your page profile. Click on the 3 lines at the top right. Scroll all the way down to settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. You scroll all the way down to your information. Go to access and control. Then you can see here there's deactivation and deletion. So I'm going to deactivate the page. Click on this and then deactivate the page. So this page will be temporary. Your page will be disabled and your name photo will be removed. Continue. So I need to re-enter my password. Continue. This is temporary. I'll be back. Continue. So click on continue. Okay, continue. Deactivate. Alright, now your page is deactivated. How do you reactivate your page? Now you can only reactivate your page from your main profile. So this is your main profile. Click on the top right. Then you scroll all the way down to settings and privacy. Click on settings. Then you scroll all the way down. You can see that audience and visibility. Click on pages. And you can see here reactivate your pages. Click on view here. So there's a few pages I can reactivate. So I want to reactivate the can to you. So just click reactivate. And boom, it is reactivated. So this is how you deactivate and reactivate your page, and I show it to you in desktop and also in mobile. If you like what I share, do subscribe and I see you next time. Goodbye.